Welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Zone. Today I shall tell you interesting facts about ducks. Ducks are waterfowl known for their webbed feet, distinctive quaking sounds, and waterproof feathers. They are social birds, often found in groups, and are known for their playful behavior. Ducks play a role in various cultures and have economic significance for their meat and eggs. While we associate ducks with quacking, not all ducks quack. Different species make various sounds, including whistles, grunts, and even silent communications. Many duck species are migratory birds, covering impressive distances during migration. They navigate using a combination of landmarks. Some duck species form strong monogamous bonds that last through the breeding seasons. Ducks can be classified as tabblers or divers. Dabbling ducks feed near the water surface by tipping forward and grazing on. Female ducks are usually the primary caregivers, but male ducks can also be a protective. After hatching, ducklings quickly learn to follow their mother, forming a tight bond. There are over 120 different species of ducks worldwide. The mallard is one of the most widespread and adaptable duck species. Its ability to thrive in various environments has contributed to its global distribution. The Australian musk duck has unusual courtship display involving head flips and dives. Certain duck breeds, such as the Hockey Campbell, are prolific adults. They are known for consistently laying a high number of eggs throughout the year. Ducks are resourceful nest builders. They create nests using various materials like grass, feathers, and down. Some species build their nest on the ground, while others choose lofted spots. Ducks hold cultural and symbolic significance in various societies. In China culture, they are symbols of fidelity, while in some Native American traditions, ducks are associated with adaptability and comfort in emotional waters. Ducks have specialized serrations, known as a limale, along the edge of their bills. These structures help filter food from water and provide an efficient means of obtaining a variety of aquatic organisms. The blue-winged teal duck holds the record for the longest migration among North American ducks. Some populations travel up to 16,000 miles round trip, moving between their breeding grounds in North America and wintering areas in South America. Hope you will like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.